Hi, my name is Sparkly Jessica, and I'm going to be playing with my frozen bird's eye veggies. I'm excited, mostly because I'm old enough now to be putting them into the microwave by myself. So, first I wanted to show you guys this paper that I drew. It's going to be the design that I'm making for the frozen bird's eye veggies. And first, what I did was I wrote down the vegetables that I'm going to be using. And first, I was going to do a flower. And I thought of the stem and the leaves and the petals, and I thought of what vegetables I should make for it. And then I thought that I should do the 4 precipitations, which is snow, sleet, hail, and rain. And I also thought of what vegetables I should use for that. Okay, so first I'm going to be doing the flower. I kind of feel personally like this is funny because at home my parents get a little bit frustrated when I'm playing with my food, but right now they're allowing it, of course, because this is all about playing with your food. What I'm making right now is the petals on the flower. This is the leaf and this is the stem. I especially like the green bean as the stem because it's like perfect. Okay, well, I'm finally finished with this. It's a flower, and it has an outline with little strips of green beans. Okay, so these are the 4 precipitations. This is the sleet, this is the hail, this is the rain, and this is the snow.